How to deposit check using Capital One bank account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the app's dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the checking account where you want to deposit the check. This will take you to the account screen where you can see your balance and a quick action section. In the quick action section, tap on the deposit button to start the check deposit process. Now it's time to scan your check. First, take a picture of your front of the check by tapping on the photo camera icon. Make sure your check is placed on a dark background and fits within the frame. This app will automatically capture the image. Then flip the check over and take a picture of the back. After both sides of the check are scanned, enter the amount of the deposit. You can also add a note for your reference. Once done, slide the green button below to complete the deposit. You should receive a confirmation and the money will be available on the next business days. And that's it. You have successfully deposited a check using the Capital One mobile banking app. It's a simple and efficient way to handle your banking needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.